Good morning, students. I am S.K. Tiwari from Kendriya Vidyalaya Masrak. Today I am going to teach you class 9 mathematics of chapter polynomials, continued part 6. Students, this is the revision of the chapter, and in this revision of chapter I think the factorizations of the polynomials, this is very important, and I think let us start to revise the factorization. And is in that factorization, first of all, you see, factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. We have 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz, that can be written as 2x the whole square plus minus y the whole square plus z the whole square plus 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into 2x into z. So by using identity 5, we can write 2x plus minus y plus z the whole square. So it can be written as 2x minus y plus z the whole square, and it can be also written as 2x minus y plus z into 2x minus y plus z. So far we have dealt with identities involving second degree term. Now let us extend identity 1 to compute x plus y the whole cube. We have x plus y the whole cube is equal to x plus y plus x plus y the whole square. So it can be written as x plus y into x square plus 2xy plus y square. So x into x square plus 2xy plus y square plus y into x square plus 2xy plus y square. So it can be obtained as x cube plus 2x square y plus xy square plus x square y plus 2xy square plus y cube. So it can be written x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, and finally we can obtain as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So we get the following identities: x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Also by replacing y by minus y in the identity 6, we get as x minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So it can be obtained as x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y the whole cube. Write the following cubes in the expanded form, that is 3a plus 4b the whole cube. Comparing the given expressions with x plus y the whole cube, we find that x is equal to 3a and y is equal to 4b. So using identity 6, we have 3a plus 4b the whole cube is equal to 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube plus 3 into 3a into 4b into 3a plus 4b. It can be written as 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 108a square b plus 144ab square. Comparing the given expressions with x minus y the whole cube, you find that x is equal to 5p, y is equal to 3q. So using identity 7, we have 5p minus 3q the whole cube is equal to 5p the whole cube minus 3q the whole cube minus 3 into 5p into 3q into 5p minus 3q. So it can be obtained 125 pq minus 27 qq minus 225 p square q plus 135 pq square. Evaluate each of the following using suitable identities as like 104 to the power cube. So 104 to the power cube is equal to 100 plus 4 the whole cube, 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 into 100 plus 4, that is using identity 6. So one containing the 6 zeros plus 64 plus 124800. Finally, resultant will be 1124864. And in second part, you find the 999 the whole cube. So 999 the whole cube can be written as 1000 minus 1 the whole cube. So 1000 the whole cube minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into 1000 into 1 into 1000 minus 1 using identity 7. So it can be obtained as 1 and containing 9 zeros minus 1 minus 2997 containing 3 zeros. So finally resultant will be 99,700,2999. That will be the final answer of the solutions. So factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. The given expressions can be written as 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube plus 3 into 4x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 9y square. It can be written as 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube plus 3 into 2x the whole square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y the whole square. It can be obtained as 2x plus 3y the whole cube. So we can finally write as 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. Now consider x plus y plus z into x square y square z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. On expanding, we get the product as x into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx plus y into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. It can be written as x cube plus xy square plus xz square minus x square y plus minus xyz minus zx square plus x square y. So plus y cube plus yz square minus xy the whole square minus y square z minus xyz plus x square z plus y square z plus z cube minus xyz minus yz square minus xz square. And finally, by the simplifications, we can get as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So we obtained the following identities: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this identity 8 is also very important to solve the questions. And this identity can be written as x cube y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So by following this one example you can take: factorize 8x the whole cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Here we can write the 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz as 2x the whole cube plus y the whole cube plus 3z the whole cube minus 3 into 2x into y into 3z. So the resultant can be written as 2x plus y plus 3z into 2x the whole square plus y square plus 3z square minus 2x into y minus y into 3z minus 2x into 3z. It can be written as 2x plus y plus 3z into 4x square plus y square plus 9z square minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 6xz. So that such type of questions can be solved using the identity 8. So students, I think very easily you can solve the NCERT questions which is given in the exercise 2.5. You can see the questions has been given, and I think by using these identities already you have solved. In spite of all those, anyone is having any kinds of the doubts, you see once again and do practice for one time. I think this video will be helpful to solve the question and enhance your conceptual knowledge. So student, watch your videos and share the ideas, solve the NCERT questions, and in spite of all those you feel any kind of the difficulties and doubts, please share your difficulty and doubts. I will clarify. Thank you.